Okay, so I have a 2005 Jetta. I'm removing the steering wheel. The reason why I'm removing the steering wheel is because I'm taking apart the whole dashboard. I'm not sure if I need to remove it or not, but I think I do. Anyhow, I was struggling, but it's very simple. You want to turn your wheel 180 degrees like this, higher vertical. You have some clips right here. You see this in the back? Hold on, I'm not sure if I'm recording it. There's a little clip in there. So you got a flathead screwdriver. I was struggling because I was putting it. Where's that? Right here in the middle. And I was trying to put my screwdriver all the way in. There's no need for that. You gotta put it right here, right above. See that? Stick your screwdriver in there. Turn to the right. Come over here, pull your steering wheel. See? Hold on. Fuck. Watch. See if I can place my phone over here somewhere. There we go. Take a little sip of this. Very fucking simple. I was here for like an hour. Place it in there. Turn it to the right. Fuck. What the fuck happened? Okay, you know what? That one's out already because I took it out and I put it back in. Alright, I'm gonna do the other side. There's two clips. Let's do this one. Right above, right there. Not in the middle, right above. Turn to the right. See, you can hear it. It's not to go in that much. Turn it to the right and pull this shit out. There you go. You guys saw that or no? I'm not sure if I recorded correctly, man. Sorry for the fucked up ass video. But I was struggling. There's not many Jetta videos out there. So I thought I'd help you guys out. There, it's off. I don't know, man. You guys have to figure out the rest. I don't have that much phone memory. Thanks for watching.